How to buy flyingtulip token. So this token came under the symbol of FT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the Mexc account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on Mexc. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go on the code down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on Mexc under it to benefit from yours. So after you create an account on Mexc, just log into your account and type it in the search, as you can see, just FT like that. So after that, you can now select if you want to trade in spot or futures. So I prefer to use the spots for that. And now make sure to select the pair that have USDT. Just click on it and wait a few seconds to load this page, as you can see here. So this is the page that you can buy this token on it. So here you can type how much you want to buy for that token, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive that token. So here you will be able to see the total that you should pay, and after that click on buy FT and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy FT token, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.